Hello YouTube. Chashtek's back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix Windows cannot find gpedit.msc group policy editor. This one, as you are seeing on the screen, if you are facing an error when you try to search it from your computer, if you cannot find the gpedit policy group policy editor. In this video, I'm going to show you two basic solutions. Let's start from solution number one. So solution number one will be running the SFT scanner and also DISM or restore health solution. So in order to do that, go here on the bottom, click here the search icon and type here CMD. So after you type CMD here, you will find the command prompt, and right click on it and select run as administrator. Then confirm by selecting yes. So here the command prompt opened. Then after that, here I have a comments that I have on the notepad. I will put it on the description box of this video. So here you have the SFC scanner, the first command. So copy this command and just paste it here. I did. Then press enter. I'm not going to pressing the enter option because it takes some time. I'm recording the video. So what you should have to do is you just press enter and it starts scanning your computer. If there is any operating system glitch or any affected part of your operating system, it starts fixing. So wait until the SFT scanner will be completed. So after this completed, then go to the second one, which is copy this one and again paste it here, which is the DISM, which is the restore health. So after you paste here, then press enter and wait until the restore health process will be completed. So after you did pause these two commands, then close, and after that close your group policy editor and restart your computer. So after the restart, check whether the group policy editor problem is solved or not. If the problem is still occurring, then the second solution for this video will be resetting your PC without losing your file. So in order to do that, click here the search icon on the bottom, type here reset. Then after you reset here, you'll find the reset this PC option. Click on that and you will find here reset this PC option. So select here get started. So when you click that, you will find choose options, which is keep my file and remove everything. So based on your interest, you can keep your file or you can remove everything and reinstall the operating system as factory reset. So in my case, I'll select keep my files. Then after that, getting things ready. So where do you want to save your file, on a cloud or locally reinstall? So you can select whatever you want and you can proceed to reset your PC. So this will help you to reset your PC and to get back the gpedit or the group policy editor. So you can use these two methods, and I hope this video helped you to fix your problem. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just out.